Welcome to the demonstration video of Seat Belt Intelligent Reminder System Installation. Part 1. Test Terminal Installation Demonstration. Prepare the tools required for on-site installation, including cable ties, scissors, detection terminals, etc. Configure a detection terminal for every 2 adjacent seats. Record the ID of the detection terminal and the corresponding seat number. Install the detection terminal in a secret location at the bottom of the seat with cable ties. Then, in the direction of the person facing the front, the detection terminal wiring harness is connected to the seat belt buckle and seat sensor on the corresponding seat in the order of left red, right blue. When installing, pay attention to the difference between the seat sensor and the seat belt buckle interface 2. Prevent the wrong connection, among which the seat belt buckle is a 4-hole interface, and the seat sensor is a 2-hole interface. After the ports are connected, secure the cable harness along the base frame with cable ties. Hide the excess cable harness under the base as much as possible to prevent passengers from inadvertently pulling it. After that, reinstall the seat bag on the seat, and taking care not to press the product wiring harness. Part 2. Reminder Terminal Installation Demonstration. Before installation, confirm the installation position of the reminder terminal with the customer. After that, fix the mounting bracket by using 3 meters adhesive paste and screws. Then find a suitable hole in the front panel of the car, or drill a hole with a diameter of 10 millimeters next to the bracket of the reminder terminal, and lead the power and audio harness of the reminder terminal from the hole to the front box for wiring. Then, connect the harness to the car power supply and a dual power amplifier. After fixing the reminder terminal, connect the other side of the harness to reminder terminal, and arrange the excess harness. Part 3. Check and accept the installation.
Thanks for using the Intelligent Seat Belt Reminding System.
After the reminder terminal is powered on, the seat layout of the vehicle is fully displayed, indicating that the display is normal. Note the status of the mute icon and the network icon in the upper right corner of the screen. If the network icon is in connection status, the network of the reminder terminal is normal.
Please passenger seat number 43, number 44. Fasten your seat belt.
When a clear and complete voice broadcast is heard, the voice broadcast is normal and the volume is appropriate. When the seat status changes from red to green, it indicates that the seat is normal. Part 4. Seat Sensor Installation Demonstration. Prepare effective tools such as nail lifters, remove seat cushions, and remove the leather case of the seat cushion. Attach the seat sensor to the appropriate position, taking care to avoid hard objects pressing the sensor. Secure the leather case with an effective tool such as a staple gun. Connect the seat cushion sensor to the detection terminal and arrange and fix the excess wire. Part 5. Seat Belt Buckle Installation Demonstration. Prepare effective tools, such as electric wrenches, rolling belts, etc. Remove the old seat belt buckle. Install the matching seat belt buckle and ensure that it is securely installed. Connect the seat belt buckle to the detection terminal and arrange and secure the excess wire. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us.